Join the Stormcloak Rebellion. And it's right here. Where the fuck is it, man? Join the Stormcloak. Oh my god, now he run away from me. Come back, what do you want from me? Yes, idiot. Oh my god, how am I going to get there? What are they thinking about? This takes forever. I don't think there are any place closer. No, it's far away. Oh, there are a lot of fish. Stop racism. Yes, I'm against racist people. I'm against racist people in the whole world. No, I don't hate myself. Hi, Paddy. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. What is that? Fish egg. See, I want to see this. There's a big fish there. Oh my god. Nice. Holy shit. That was not a good idea. Holy shit. Yeah, I know what Alt F4 means. You cannot fool me. You like in the water. Yeah, I think it's cool. The water is really nice. No, I don't drown. I don't drown. I cannot drown, no. You know why? Guess why I cannot drown. You have to guess. Why do you think I cannot drown? Why? Yes, I have a necklace. I have a necklace. Let's see why I cannot drown. Necklace of water breathing. Can swim underwater without drowning. Oh my god, dude. They are really strong. Holy shit, they were strong. Shit. Where did he go? Shit. Where is he? I have already killed her. She's dead. She's dead. Okay. I have killed her. So why can I not take her house? Yeah, Skyrim is new to me. Yeah. Are you ready to take this oath? Yes, I am. I do swear my blood and honor to the service of Ulfric Stormcloak, Jarl of and true High King of
Talos is my witness.
And Talos is my witness. May the oath be blind me to the death and beyond, even to my lord and to my fellow brothers and sisters in arms. All hail the Stormcloaks, the true sons and daughters of Skyrim. Yes. Oh fuck! I have to walk all the way back.
Of our cause.
No! I died. No, not again. I cannot use fast travel, unfortunately.
Don't interfere with Imperial Legion business. Now move along, unless you want 3 inches of steel in your gut.
What are you doing?
Don't talk like that, okay? Idiot. I don't like people who talk like that. It's not very polite.
God is dead.
Oh, I like this game. Oh. No, what the fuck? How? No. 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 Shit. I cannot get inside again. Oh yeah, I have to go up the stairs. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Ah, there's a way here. Oh my god. What the, what do he want? Where is it? What does he want me to do? You cannot get up there. Ah, you have to jump all the way up there. Yes, okay. You have to jump. Hey, don't fall down. There's a way. Come here, follow me. No, this is the way I come from. That was stupid. That was really stupid. Oh my god, now I feel really stupid. No, there's no way. No, yeah, there's no way. I go, if you don't want to come with me, then, yeah, if you don't want to come with me, then I do it alone. If you don't want to do it, then I do it alone. Oh, yeah. No, I need the ebony claw. I don't have the ebony claw. I don't have the ebony claw. It's on the floor. Oh, thank God. Thank God you helped me. I don't know what to do if I... Oh my God, you're so intelligent. And I'm so stupid. Where is it? Ah, it's on the floor. I'm so stupid. Holy shit. Oh yeah, there is. I can see it. It's a fox. It's a fox on top. Fox. Yes, and then it's a butterfly here. That should be it. Let me see again. No, the butterfly is in the middle. I'm an idiot. What am I doing? The butterfly in the middle. There we go. Good job. Oh, that's a nice helmet. Oh, it's a beautiful, nice, wonderful, wunderbar helmet. Yes. Oh shit, I cannot do that. Oh, I could. Nice. Where we go now? Oh, it's 5,000 gold coins. Holy shit. Nice. Oh yeah. So now we are in the game. We are going to a big battle, but I'm very tired. So that will be tomorrow. So tomorrow there will be a big battle. Yeah, I cannot do this. I'm too tired for that. So.